What's going on, everyone? We have a repo to talk about. This one is 1,573,769,000,000 with 73 counterparties. And obviously, due tomorrow, it's overnight. Now, let's go ahead and look back at the previous last Friday's data. Okay, so we're just slightly below where we were last Friday. Still near the all-time high of it's just over 1.6 trillion. So we'll have to see what happens through the rest of the week. That's pretty high opening up on a Monday at 1573. So, whoa. Again, the chart is, again, still nothing even compares to it. Highest day we've ever had is 1,604,000,000,000. So we're just, we're very close. We're 30 billion away. So anyways, that's the repo numbers for today. Again, to reiterate, 73 counterparties, 1,573,769,000,000. And yep, we'll see what happens the rest of the week. Hope you all have a good rest of your day, and let's go.